Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that has been making waves for its incredible benefits for dry skin. If you're looking for a solution to cracked hands, eczema, or just need a luxurious overnight treatment, you're in for a treat. We'll be exploring the Gaxcoo Cottonnerie large cotton gloves, often hailed as the best large cotton gloves on the market. These gloves are crafted from 100% premium cotton, designed not just for comfort, but to provide ultimate moisturizing relief. Whether you're someone who washes their hands frequently, or just struggles with dry skin, these gloves can enhance the effectiveness of your lotions and creams, making them an essential addition to your skincare routine. What makes these gloves stand out? For starters, they're incredibly versatile. You can wear them during the day while going about your activities or overnight for maximum moisture absorption. Imagine applying your favorite hand cream and slipping these gloves on just before bed. You'll wake up to noticeably softer, hydrated hands. The gloves act as a barrier, preventing the lotion from rubbing off onto your sheets while protecting your skin from scratching and irritation. One of the key highlights is the thoughtful design. Gaxcoo understands that comfort is paramount, which is why these gloves feature an elastic wristband for a snug fit, ensuring that they stay in place without feeling restrictive. They come in multiple sizes, including small, medium, and large, making them suitable for everyone, whether you have petite or larger hands. Additionally, these gloves are reusable and eco-friendly, reflecting a commitment to sustainability. You can wash and wear them multiple times, making them a cost-effective alternative to single-use moisturizing gloves. This is not just a purchase, it's an investment in both your skincare and the environment. Using the Gaxcoo Cottonnerie gloves is straightforward. First, apply your favorite hand lotion or cream generously. Next, put on the gloves, and let them work their magic while you sleep or during your daily routine. With this simple addition to your self-care regimen, you're setting yourself up for healthier, softer skin. Think of it as a spa experience right in your own home. The soft, breathable cotton not only feels luxurious but also creates a spa-like atmosphere whenever you wear them. They're perfect for a pampering night in, whether you're winding down after a long day or treating yourself to a little self-care on the weekend. To wrap it up, the Gaxcoo Cottonnerie large cotton gloves are a must-have for anyone looking to combat dry hands and enjoy a bit of pampering. With their comfortable fit, eco-friendly design, and moisturizing benefits, they truly deserve their spot as the best large cotton gloves on the market. If you're ready to give your hands the care they deserve, check out the link in the description below for more details and grab your pair today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews of the best products out there. Until next time, take care.